Hello, this is Cheo with another Chit Chat. On Friday, I attended the Miss Indian UNM pageant, and what a great event. I'd like to thank Tyra Kitaki of Zuni Pueblo on being crowned Miss Indian UNM for the year 2019-2020. Career Services will host their Educators Job Fair from 10 a.m. in the morning till 2 p.m. in the Student Union Building's ballroom. This is an excellent opportunity for UNM students, alumni, and community members to meet recruiters from local, national, and state educational institutions. Please bring lots of resumes and dress to impress. This week is National Student Employee Week, and there are some fun events planned in honoring our student employees. Today there's a carnival in the sub from 11:30 till 1:30 p.m. and will feature carnival games and food. And tomorrow, the Student Employee of the Year Award event will be held in the Student Union Building at noon. Scholars from El Puente Research Fellowship Program recently took an experiential learning trip to Denver, Colorado. On this trip, they were able to speak to key faculty in their fields and promote the research agenda. They will be presenting the research during Undergraduate Research Opportunities Conference in the sub. And several employees in our division are celebrating milestones in their careers at UNM. I'd like to congratulate everyone in our division for celebrating 15 years or more at UNM. And I'd like to especially congratulate Ray Renteria from CEOP on his 50 years of service. Thank you, Ray. The UNM Center for Financial Capability will host their annual workshop for the semester on Wednesday, April the 24th at 2:30 in El Centro de la Raza conference room. Participants will learn about basics of investing and will get free pizza while they're there. And they will be entered into a drawing for a $100 scholarship. Until next week, this is Cheo.